Start. This is a different kind of business book for different kinds of people, from those who have never dreamed of starting a business to those who already have a successful company up and running. Stop. It is for hardcore entrepreneurs, the type A go getters of the business world. Stop. People who feel like they were born to start, lead, and conquer. Stop. It's also for less intense small business owners. Stop. People who may not be type A but still have their business at the center of their lives. Stop. People who are looking for an edge that will help them do more, work smarter, and kick ass. Stop. Para. It's even for people stuck in day jobs who have always dreamed about doing their own thing. Stop. Maybe they like what they do, but they don't like their boss. Stop. Or maybe they are just bored. Stop. They want to do something they love and get paid for it. Stop. Finally, it's for all those people who have never considered going out on their own and starting a business. Stop. Maybe they don't think they are cut out for it. Stop. Maybe they don't think they have the time, money, or conviction to see it through. Stop. Maybe they are just afraid of putting themselves on the line. Stop. Or maybe they just think business is a dirty word. Stop. Whatever the reason, this book is for them too. Stop. Para. There's a new reality. Stop. Today, anyone can be in business. Stop. Tools that used to be out of reach are now easily accessible. Stop. Technology that cost thousands is now just a few bucks or even free. Stop. One person can do the job of two or three, or in some cases, an entire department. Stop. Stuff that was impossible just a few years ago is simple today. Stop. Para. You don't have to work miserable 60, 80, 100 hours week to make it work. Stop. 10 to 40 hours a week is plenty. Stop. You don't have to deplete your life savings or take on a boatload of risk. Stop. Starting a business on the side while keeping your day job can provide all the cash flow you need. Stop. You don't even need an office. Stop. Today you can work from home or collaborate with people you have never met who live thousands of miles away. Stop. It's time to rework work. Stop. Let's get started. Stop.